everyone, today I want to show you Invoices page in Clodify system. What actions do we have and what actually data we can see and check or maybe edit something. Let's log in as an admin. Go to Financials Invoices page, and here we can see invoices, and we can add invoice. I have previously showed you the add invoice page. So this is the data that we need to add. So we can add this information about invoice and save. What else we can do on the invoices page? We can see data about the invoice here, and what actions do we have. If the invoice is new, then we can edit this invoice and mark as paid. And if also we can delete and download PDF, but if the invoice is already marked as paid, we can only download PDF and delete this. So each of them we can download and delete, but only new one we can mark as paid and edit. So if it was not marked as paid, we can open and edit information about this invoice. Like if what maybe is you have some notes or any other data you need to change, you can change and save. Also, if it is new, we can mark it as paid. So we just can click on this icon, okay, and it will be paid. So, and here we can see that this invoice is paid and this one is also paid. But also we can see that this one new invoice was paid, but we can also see that it can be marked as distributed. So when it was distributed, we can mark it and it will be like this one. It is paid, but like closed already. So we can now mark it distributed. Okay. And now we can only delete and download it. So these are all actions that we have for the invoices. We can delete one of them if we do not need them. Let's delete this one. So yeah, it was deleted. Okay. So these are actions for invoices in Clodify system. The actual data and actions that we can do.